Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to get prepared for a camping trip. We're only going to go on a 2-day camping trip, 1 night, 2-day, 1 night, and we're going to actually camp in our SUV. We're going to film that for you, but this video is specifically on how to prepare for a camping trip. So Bella and I are here at Trader Joe. We've already made a list of what we're going to eat and what I'm going to prepare, and I'm going to do some prep work on the food, and then of course we've got all the other things that we're going to do as far as showing you how to prepare for a camping trip with kids. And so let's get into Trader Joe's and check out what deals we're going to get. So we're going to head into Trader Joe's, grab some stuff here at the store. I really love this store, but I don't oftentimes get a lot of opportunities to go to Trader Joe's. So let's go in and see what's new. And you, Missy, have never been to Trader Joe's, have you? No, you have not. So, yeah, this will be fun. You ready to go in? All right, let's grab a cart. Aww, look at these little lovebirds. Those are cute. Just in time for Mother's Day. We can live outside. In Arizona, that's saying something. So I'm loving this. Organic herbs are $2.49 each, and these are really great. They got mint, rosemary, parsley, oregano. We just planted our garden, so really don't have much room for this, but I'm gonna grab a parsley. I don't have this in my area, so that's a good price for that. Oh, we even got basil. They got a lot of the basil doesn't look so good. We got a lot of great stuff over here. I just want to point out, look at these prices for the salad mixes. Those are like, they haven't been hit with inflation, because that's a really good price at $2.49 a bag. You buy these in my store, and it's getting up on the words of $4.99. So this is out of the area. However, I like these two, the grilled chicken. I may just have to make this a Trader Joe video. Organic produce, and take a look at that price for organic Fiji apples. Oh, and that's great. And these will be great for camping. So that's awesome. Also the Pink Ladies and Granny Smith, $2.99 for a bag. That's not bad, not a bad deal, and great for camping. I will say that eggs are about the same price in our store as there or other stores, and Trader Joe's as well as other stores. But I will say that maybe not, because this is actually a pretty good price. $3.29 for cage-free eggs, $3.49 for cage-free eggs. That's not bad. We're gonna go ahead and grab one of those. And then you got some down the bottom, $2.99, $2.69. Always check your eggs. I'm telling you, the prices here are so much better than at our store here, and even better than Sprouts. I mean, take a look at those. Those are really great prices. I'm very impressed with their variety as well as their prices here at Trader Joe's. So here is their meat selections. They have whole meals here that you can make really good family meals, and again, reasonably priced. I will say Trader Joe's definitely has some good prices as well as some good deals. For example, these chicken cilantro mini wontons. I buy a pack in my store about the same price, and they're almost $9, but here they're $3.49. I mean, that is amazing.
Those are the dumplings that I got.
All right, and even pizza prices are reasonably good. I don't see any brands that I'm familiar with, but not bad. Okay. So many great options, I would think. Great meal ideas. And wow, some dessert options here. Again, really reasonably priced. I must say I'm very impressed with how reasonably priced everything is at Trader Joe's. Definitely makes you want to keep coming back. And if we had one closer to our house, we would definitely be shopping here more often. Great deals. One of the things I worry about with the shortage supply that's happening right now is the oils. And so I like to see these prices on olive oil. I don't get the extra virgin olive oil because it's usually not really extra virgin olive oil here in the United States, but good prices for olive oil as well. So lots of great stuff here at Trader Joe's, and for $100, it really came out to be a really good deal. And on top of that, a lot of things I got were sauces and things that I didn't have. So that actually came out really great. And so we'll make up a meal at the house and share with you the rest of our haul. Oh, she's growing up so fast. Good job. Did you look both ways when you crossed the street? Okay. Remember, that's a rule. You gotta look both ways when you cross the street. I'm gonna make these fried raviolis. They're breaded fried raviolis. This is from Trader Joe's. Very simple, easy to make. I'm gonna add this Bertolli marinara. Any kind of marinara will work. Basically, I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. And the best way to do it is in the air fryer. You want to heat up the air fryer for 5 minutes at 400, and then add the raviolis for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, remove from the air fryer and let them cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Heat up the marinara sauce, and then you've got a really great, quick and easy meal thanks to Trader Joe's. All right, the air fryer has heated up, and now I'm going to go ahead and place these in the air fryer, cook them up so they're nice and crispy, and then make the marinara sauce, and dinner served. So I'm going to heat up the marinara sauce on medium heat. We might not use all of the marinara sauce, but if we do, that's great. If we don't, that's fine too. I'm going to mix that in, and I'm going to throw the breaded ravioli into the marinara sauce. So it would be raviolis with marinara sauce for dinner tonight, along with maybe a little salad. All right, so I added the breaded fried ravioli once it was cooked in the air fryer, I added it to the marinara sauce, and dinner is served. So Trader Joe's definitely does have some really great deals, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Really do appreciate you checking it out, watching it, and if you like saving money, working from home, and making money, and also, family stuff, then subscribe to our channel because that's what we do here. And we'd love to have you become part of our community. This channel could be something really wonderful, and we'd love to have you be part of that. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am your everyday work from home mom, Jamie, and we'll see you soon. My second super easy, quick meal idea that you can go ahead and make at home from Trader Joe's is to take these taquitos and look at these ingredients. I just want to bring you in and show you. So the ingredients are corn tortilla, boneless, skinless chicken breast and boneless, skinless thigh, water, diced onion, soybean oil, cornstarch, salt, dried chicken stock, garlic powder, onion powder, and fried in soybean oil. Don't necessarily like that it's fried in soybean oil, but it's not too bad. Overall, not a really overall a very good, healthy mixture of processed food, if you can say processed food is healthy, which I don't necessarily particularly like a lot of processed food. But the thing is that this is good and quick in a pinch, especially when my daughter and I have something planned for the day outside of the house. It makes it really easy to do something like this. So I'm going to take the chicken taquitos and I'm going to put them in the oven. We got some sour cream and some salsa. We got some oranges, and by the way, the orange peels are actually going into our garden. They are natural insecticides for insects. So the orange peels will go into our garden. I got some coleslaw with some mayo and apple cider vinegar, and I will mix that together. Mayo, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper for the coleslaw, and then these. And it's going to be a very quick, simple, easy, some taquitos, an orange, and some coleslaw. Fairly healthy lunch, really quick and easy to make. The hardest part is that you're looking at 15 to 20 minutes that you're baking in the oven at 425 degrees. So that is it. We're going to go ahead and make these real quick and yeah, share with you how this is going. I'll stick these in the oven and then I'll make up the coleslaw for you. My family likes a very vinegary coleslaw, and so I will put the directions down below for you, but really it's just vinegar and mayo that I use, salt and pepper. Sometimes I'll put a little garlic powder in there. Sometimes I'll put some chia seeds in there, especially if I feel like my daughter hasn't been eating a lot of fiber. I'll sneak some chia seeds in there. But today we're just making a real quick, easy coleslaw mix that you can make yourself. If you like vinegary coleslaw, you're going to love this recipe. And I will link up the actual amounts down in the video description box below. So that is mixed up and ready to go. And here is the finished lunch. Some oranges, some taquitos, sour cream, salsa, and some coleslaw. Perfect lunch. Great, quick and easy, and also something inspired through the Trader Joe taquitos. So, yeah, bon appetit.